So today's agenda, we're going to focus. We did a quick welcome, and again, welcome to Haresh and Kim. We'll touch on some driving forces, and then we'll really get to the meat of the discussion. And Kim will recap our multi-bank connectivity, payment processing, electronic bank statement processing, reconciliation, and GL posting. We'll go into what you really want to hear about, which is the cash position and cash analyzer, talk a bit about and focus on liquidity forecasting. And then we've got some really great cloud analytics and the Analytics Cloud Liquidity Planner.
A lot of times folks think of Treasury as just being able to move cash around. Well, it's much more than that. And even to move cash around, you need multiple players in the ecosystem. So of course, in this conversation, we're going to focus primarily on the bank connectivity and so on and so forth. But if you think about it, the companies that deal in risk management, for example, when they settle their trades, they have to issue payments from whatever the settlement tells them to do. Those payments have to go to your counterparties through your bank, and those payments also have to be reported on your cash flows. So it's not just about cash management, it's about risk management, it's about the whole payment infrastructure, and most customers have to pay their vendors and everybody else. So this sort of becomes a part of a bigger ecosystem that sits on top of your finance applications, and they need to be connected. They need to be able to talk to the outside world, which is shown here through these arrows as well, which are standardized integrations with outside players in the ecosystem.
Went into our demo system, and I took a few screenshots. Now, we kept this as we try to keep it more generic. And this, if you're looking at the left-hand side, just to give you just a demo type example. Again, this can be customized and built the way you want to look at your business. This is just a generic way. So for instance, you can see at the top, you can see for your top banks, you can see all of, here's my bank accounts, the cash flows that I've had for today or expected into the future. You could also see it by your different types of vendors or your customers. You may want to group it by distribution centers and say, hey, I want to look at all my domestic customers, or I want to look at a specific customer that's related to some very expensive product that I pay for every single day.
In the next few minutes, I'll just give you some idea about what the Analytics Cloud is and how it is being used for customers who want to perform long-term liquidity planning. So Analytics Cloud is basically a cloud platform-based application, or I would say portfolio of application that takes in information live or in asynchronous mode from a variety of different sources. It has live connections to the S4 systems, but you can also have asynchronous data feed going into this platform. Now that's the platform where SAP is designing a lot of the new generation analytical applications, including liquidity planning. So it is designed for simplicity with design thinking. Well, that's all happy things, happy stuff to say. It's built on the cloud platform. That's an important one. SAP is offering cloud platform-based applications, which means you don't have to install anything on your own landscape.
With that, I want to, on behalf of Brahmasol and SAP, I thank everybody, and I hope you make it a great day.